Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. Today I'm gonna be doing a super simple eye look using the MAC paint pot in the shade Half Wild and the Hourglass Scattered Lights eyeshadow in Molten. So firstly, I'm gonna just I haven't done anything on my eyes. I've just put on the concealer. So in the shade, I'm gonna go in with this MAC paint pot in the shade Half Wild on my flat shader brush and just put it all over my eyes. You don't have to be super neat, you gotta get a nice intense color. Now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette and go in with this shade just for my brow bone highlight, because I'm just using one brush, so I want to go in with the lighter shade first. With the same brush, just nothing on it, I'm gonna blend in my crease, blend out my crease. So it looks like this. If you want, you can go in with a little bit of like a purpley shade. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of Guilt Trip from this palette, just very little bit, and add it into my crease as well. So it just gives it a slight dimension and makes it look more blended out. I'm now gonna go in with the Hourglass Scattered Light in the shade Molten. This is how it looks, and I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna pack it on my eyelid all over. And you can see the difference. So same on the other eye. Just push the product in. If you don't have the exact purple base, you can use any other shade as well, like a more cranberry or slightly darker shade. Anything. There are really nice like NYX crayon pencils that work really well as well. So after this, I'm gonna take the same shader brush again and just blend it all once again. And since I'm not using too many brushes, I'm gonna go in with the shade Guilt Trip and just pinch this in and take it on my lower lash line. And for my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the shade Blaze from the same palette, just on my little finger, and I'm just gonna go in with a lot of mascara, and I'll be right back. And this is the completed look. For my lips, I have on the MAC lip liner in Dervish and the NARS lip gloss in Chelsea Girls. So it's a nice nudish color, nothing too much because there's a lot going on your eyes, even though it's super simple. You can easily do this with any color you like. You can, instead of adding that Hourglass Scattered Lights, you can use MAC pigments or anything shimmery on top. I really enjoy doing these kind of looks. I think it's super easy and it looks beautiful. You can always add more liner and stuff like that to make it look more evening wear, or if you just want to stop here, it's perfect as well. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Makeupdiariesbysukrita. Bye guys, till next time.